Hello, my name is Squidward, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make slime. First, put 3/4 or 180 milliliters of water in a bowl and mix it with half a cup or 125 milliliters of glue. I've seen people say you can use Elmer's, wood, school, or white glue. Next, use a few drops of food coloring of your choice. I'd imagine 3 to 5 drops would be okay, but experiment with it. Now get a second bowl and put 1 cup or 240 milliliters of water in it, and then mix it with 1 teaspoon of borax, fully dissolved. And now you're gonna take a teaspoon of this, and you're gonna put it into the glue mixture from earlier. This is what's gonna turn the first mixture into slime. You're gonna put 1 teaspoon after another, until after handling it, you've noticed that it's gonna have to be 1 big piece of slime. And that's it. It seems for slime, you need borax one way or another, or essentially boric acid, which I learned is the thing that you need to be able to make the mixture into a slime. I see some people talking about you can use baking soda as well as contact solution, although the results that I'm seeing are kind of all over the place. It seems like you might need a bit more resources, like contact solution, in order to get the consistency of what you imagine slime being. Play with it, experiment with it, but safely. If you're making this with some younger ones, please don't forget to tell them, don't eat any of the ingredients, and don't eat the slime. Holy moly, I cannot stress that enough. Other than that, have at it. And those are just some basics. I'm sure you can find some other suggestions if you look hard enough. Thanks for hanging out and watching, and I hope you have fun with your slime. I'll see you in the next one.